I want to talk to you about profiting from baby care product drop shipping. So if you want to drop ship baby care products, you got to have the right strategy. You got to really think about the trends, but also you got to think about the consumer shifts in behavior, right? Because we're talking about kids here, but you also have to, let's say, appeal to parents, right? So let me give you an overview here. So why should you actually think about drop shipping baby care essentials? The thing is that you have demand, right? I mean, humans have to procreate, so you constantly have demand all the time. So there is no seasonality. Like you can't just say, well, in July or in December, you have more births than maybe in March or whatever. No, people are having kids all the time. So unlike seasonal dropshipping niches such as Christmas decorations, winter clothing, or pool accessories, babies are born in every season all year round. So this is kind of cool because it gives you it gives you, I would say, endless possibilities, right? You can make profits all the time. So this creates what? The whole drop shipping baby care products thing creates an everlasting demand. So because essential baby care products are constantly needed. Okay, so that's kind of cool. And so the cool thing is you have a high repeat purchase rate, right? Because first time parents need to buy certain products repeatedly. I'm talking about diapers. You have wipes. You have skincare. You have all kinds of products. So that's important. So you have a high repeat purchase rate. You have an emotional buying power because basically parents love to do anything. They will love to do anything just to go keep their kids, their babies actually comfortable, right? And so that really creates a lot of opportunities for drop shippers like you and me because we can really tap into that demand, that emotional buying power. Okay, and you also have a wide product range. So if you think about drop shipping baby care essentials, you have a vast assortment of products from hygiene to safety to gaming, like to entertainment, for instance. So you have a lot of things to really think about. Okay, to actually fill your online dropshipping store. So if you think about the baby care essentials, there are some products that you can't miss. Okay, it's not about seasonality. I think I want to repeat that. It's about making sure that you actually focus on the fundamentals. If you are going to be in this space, drop shipping baby care essentials, you have to really think first about organic baby care, baby skin care products, organic, because parents are really now conscious. They want to give the best to their kids, to the babies. So people are really shying away from anything chemical. So you want to go with organic. So organic is really the key here. It's a trendy industry. Okay, more and more people are paying attention to caring for the planet, and they are concerned about using environmentally conscious products. So this combined with the desire to use healthy products for their babies creates a high demand from parents for organic baby care, baby skin care products. So this sort of goes back to what I said a little earlier about emotional buying. So parents are really important. Parents are really thinking about important things when it comes to their kids. Okay, so they want to really prioritize environmentally, I would say, friendly products. So the products I'm talking about here includes those products include lotions, balms, and oils made with natural ingredients like calendula, sweet orange oil, and mango butter, and are typically free from synthetic chemicals and perfumes. Okay, that's important for parents. And so by adding those types of product to your online store, you are not only targeting the high demand among eco-conscious parents, but also helping parents whose children have sensitive skin or a condition like eczema for instance. Okay, you also have so that's for organic care products. You also have portable bottle warmers. This is a very good product to really think about. So whether you're a parent or not, you know that someone who has just had a child has to deal with many things simultaneously. So products like the portable bottle warmers, actually designed to heat milk or formula on the go, aim to make life easier for busy parents who are on the move, or for families who travel and want to keep their children's children's drink at a warm temperature. You also have baby carriers and wraps, another good product that I love a lot. So it seemed very easy when you look at it from the outside. But have you ever carried a baby all day? Think about it. Without a doubt, this is one of those daily challenges for parents that we can ease by selling. We can ease by selling baby carriers and wraps. So this is really cool. You also have a non-spill sippy cups. This is another good one. You will love it. I mean, basically, non-spill sippy cups have revolutionized how toddlers transition from bottles to regular cups. Okay, and this is kind of cool because you can see the evolution of your child. I mean, parents can see the evolution for of their child, of their children, and so non-spill sippy cups actually are designed with advanced spill-proof mechanisms like valves or straw systems. And the cool thing is that this cups actually prevent mazes during playtime or travel. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So many models feature easy grip handles tailored for small hands and are crafted from BPA-free materials to ensure safety. And the cool thing is these cups not only simplify feeding routines, but also encourage independence in children by allowing them to drink on their own. So that's kind of cool. You also have soft baby blankets and swaddles. I mean, you can see on the screen here, this is a very good one. Very cuddly, very nice, very comfy, very safe. Wonderful. This is a wonderful product, not just aesthetically, but also like practically. Okay. So if there is one thing indispensable for a newborn, it's a comfortable and soft place to sleep, right? And soft baby blankets are let's say essential for newborns, providing warmth, comfort, and security. And you want that. I mean, if you're a parent, you want to have, or at least if you're a dropshipper, you want to give parents that sort of a security, that guarantee. Okay. So made from gentle materials like organic cotton or bamboo, these items are designed to be breathable while regulating temperature. So you got to have those two elements, right? Breathability, but also have this temperature control. And so those two things, the combination of those two factors is ideal for sensitive baby skin. So parents actually value these products for their ability to enhance sleep quality while adding a touch of style to nursery essentials. If you want to drop ship baby care products, you want to really think about diaper bags. This is a very good one, and you can make lots of money with this because again, parents want comfort, they want convenience for their children, for themselves too. So baby diaper bags are really good. I mean, babies don't actually come alone. They come with an enormous amount of products and care items, some of which I've already talked about, right? But this opens up another demand, the need for something to hold all those items. Think about it. So diaper bags are more than just a storage solutions. They are actually lifelines for parents on the go because parents have to organize so many things and still take care of their kids. So those diaper bags actually provide the convenience and comfort I was talking to you a little earlier about, okay? But also efficiency, okay? So modern diaper bags feature multiple compartments for organizing diapers, bottles, wipes, and other essentials. It depends on how sophisticated, quote unquote, sophisticated you want the bag to be. Okay. I mean, you have bags that are small, you have bags that are really big. It really depends on your needs as a parent. So many designs include insulated pockets for keeping milk warm or cold and waterproof linings to prevent leaks. And these bags cater to busy lifestyles by ensuring everything needed for a day out with the baby is within easy reach. That's what I want to really focus on, easy reach, okay? Don't try to go for models when you want to drop ship baby care bags, or baby bags or diaper bags. Don't go for something complicated, okay? And so you want to really go for something that's giving parents easy access, easy reach. So it's not a bad idea to sell pre-packed diaper bags with other products from your store already inside. That way you can make more money, you can make more revenue, right? You also have educational baby toys. This is another wonderful model you want to really explore. So in this screen dominated era, more and more parents are looking for alternative methods to entertain their children while helping them learn, right? So when it comes to educational toys, you have all kinds of models, all kinds of, let's say, lifestyle lifestyle inclinations, all types of, I would say, the motivation. Okay, educational toys play a crucial role in early childhood development by stimulating cognitive skills, motor coordination, and sensory exploration. So products like, let's say, stacking blocks, musical instruments, or sensory mats are designed to engage babies in interactive play while fostering learning through discovery. You also have baby safety products. So if you're thinking about dropshipping baby care essentials, think about baby safety products. Okay, I mean, safety is really number one. If you are a parent or you are selling to parents, you want to focus on safety and then comfort, but safety is really number one. So if keeping a baby safe was hard, and actually hard in The Sims, I can't imagine it in real life. Okay, jokes aside though, baby safety products are essential for creating child-proof environments at home. Okay, so but I mean, even on the go, if you take your child for a picnic in the park, for instance, you'll see you want to have sorry about that. You want to have some kind of safety products or safety around the playground. Okay, so items such as corner protectors, outlet covers, baby gates, and cabinet locks help prevent injuries as babies begin crawling or walking. So advanced safety solutions include smart monitors that alert parents to potential hazards, or wearable devices that actually track location during outings. So you also have car baby essentials. That's another good one. So basically, products like car seat mirrors I mean, they do a good job, a wonderful job, because they allow parents to monitor their child without turning around while driving, while sunshades protect delicate skin from harmful UV rays during long rides. And so travel organizers keep toys, snacks, and diapers neatly arranged within reach. So this is kind of cool. So I just give you a list of pretty good products to dropship if you are in the baby care dropshipping space. Now let me give you a little bit of strategy here. So it's important to understand that if you want to dropship baby care essentials, you have to really prioritize a few factors. And those factors will ensure that you actually make money in the long run. These factors will guarantee that you have a stable revenue base or stable revenue model. Okay. So one thing I want to say here is that you need to prioritize safety and product quality. I just said it. Safety is number one. Okay. And then you have the rest. But product quality is also important, because if you're selling safe, quote unquote, safe products with a quality that sucks, you're not going to have a repeat business. Okay, people will buy once and then they will be pissed and they'll just leave. And when they leave, you know what happens, right? They will leave bad reviews about your store, and you do not want to have that. You do not want to have this sort of situation. So you have to really look at quality. And when I say quality, product quality, it's not just about the product itself. It's also about the ancillary support, customer support that comes with the product quality. So if there was a question about the product, about the product or the product quality, you have a team who can really answer that. Okay. You also need to understand legal restrictions. Let me drink some water here. I apologize. So I was just talking about the fact that besides product quality and safety, you need to understand legal restrictions, because we're talking here about kids, talking about babies. Okay, so authorities are really paying attention to what marketers like you and me or dropshippers are selling to that population. So there are some legal limits that that apply to certain products depending on the niche you're in. Okay, and you also need to choose the right products for profitability. You got to look for products that gives you that. You have to look at products that give you a product that gives you some kind of stable revenue, right? And you want to stay away from those products that really have to do with have something to do with seasonality, because you want to make money all year long. You do not want to make money only in August or January, for instance. No, you want to make money from January all the way through December. Okay, so you want to look for those products that are actually are needed all year long, such as diapers, for instance. Okay, diaper bags, for instance. You also want to look because if you were to get something like car safety products, this is a seasonal product. This is a seasonal gear, if you will. Because if it's cold, no parents want to drive. People would rather stay home. Okay, so that's something to really think about. So let me give you some best marketing strategies for baby carrier dropshipping. One thing you need to understand here is that if you want to be successful at baby carrier dropshipping, you need to leverage parenting communities and forums. You have a lot of them on the internet. Okay, it's all about choosing the right one that actually fits the kind of product you're selling. Okay, so people tend to gather when they share a common interest. Imagine if that interest is their children's well-being. So there are many communities out there, both in workshops or events and in online forums or special or even social media spaces. Okay, you want to use influencer and mom blogger collaborations also if you want to make money, like in a consistent way or on a scalable way in this space. You want to use influencer and mom blogger collaborations, collabs. You also want to think about SEO and content marketing, because if you want to have organic traffic, if you want to have consistent traffic, I mean, the thing about organic traffic is that it takes time. It takes time to build. It takes time to grow. It takes time to actually mature, right? I mean, if you have the money, you can just invest in ads. You can invest in PPC ads. You can invest in Instagram ads, Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, and so on and so forth. Okay, as long as you are targeting the right community, the right audience. So, but if you do not want to do ads, then you have to do a content marketing. You have to do blogs, and then you want to put attractive videos, attractive photos. You want to write excellent blog articles to actually give. I mean, number one, you do not want to sell just baby care essentials. You want to educate your audience first. You want to show credibility. You want to show thought leadership. You want to really understand that you are convincing folks first and foremost, right? You want to convince people first before actually talking about the product you're selling. I mean, if you do a good job at educating them, if you do a good job at, let's say, writing good blog articles, your audience will know automatically that you know what you're talking about, and they will trust that they'll trust the product that you're selling, the baby care essentials that you're selling, right? So that's kind of cool. And by the way, you can also do both. You can do SEO and content marketing in addition to actually running ads. You also can run seasonal promotions. So basically, you can have promotions around days like Mother's Day or back to school or Father's Day, for instance. Okay, so this is kind of cool. But overall, one thing I want to say is that it is really profitable to dropship baby care essentials. Okay, I mean, there could be some restrictions on selling those baby care products, but basically, you are able to navigate that landscape pretty well. So, in conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about profiting from baby carrier dropshipping. Okay, I gave you the overview, the strategy, and now the conclusion. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.